Okay, everyone. Today I will show everyone how to make a fighter airplane with the paper. Okay, now I choose A4 paper. Okay, let's see together. Okay, first step you follow me. Okay, the first step you take like this. Okay. Okay. Second step, you open it. See that? You open it, and then you do like this. One line, too small. Okay. Okay. See that? Okay, you follow me. Okay. Second step, and the third step. Okay. Do like this. You see? Do like this, and one more, the same. Okay. After that, open it, and then you put like this. Okay, you see that? Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, follow all my steps. You will make a fighter airplane with a paper. Okay, and the same. You see that? Okay. After that, fourth step. Okay, the same. Okay. One more. Put it to down. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, one more step, open it, and then you put like this. Okay, you see that? Yes. I hold it down. Okay, one more step, the same. Okay. Okay, after that, you do like this. You see that? Okay, you put like this and open like this. Left and right, do the same. Okay. Do the same. Okay. Oh, okay. After that, you take it down. Okay. Okay. After that, the next step, you put like this. You see, when you do like this, you put like this. Okay. Okay, and then open it and put like this one more. You see that? Okay. Now you close it. Okay. And then you open this and close. When you close, you turn it down. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. One more step. You cut. Okay. Okay, up to you want. Okay. Like a pyramid. Okay. Okay, take it down. Okay, after that you see, and you put it like this. Okay, do it the same, equal. Okay, see that, equal. Okay, this one like this. Okay, and put it. Okay, it to in. Okay, one more step. Wait me. Okay, like this one. And let in. Okay, now we got it. Okay, okay, already done. Okay, now you put it the the wine. Okay, the wing, not wine, wing. Yeah. Now we get fighter airplane.